Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a powerful forgiveness and healing meditation that I personally use, and this is based on Ho'oponopono, the Hawaiian prayer. This meditation and this prayer you can use in any negative situation that arises in your life and the situation that is bothering you, even it is about news, about health, about finance, or about your relationships. You can use to heal any of the negative situation in your life. So let's get started. Now sit in a comfortable position and relax your body. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Just make sure during all this meditation, take a deep breath in and longer and slow exhale. When your body will be relaxed, that will be easy to heal your body. So next, what we are going to do, pick up the situation that is bothering you. It could be your finance, relationships, anything at work, or anything that is bothering you. Just pick up the situation. When you think about any negative situation or circumstances, you feel in a certain way in your body. Now, next step is recognize what you are feeling inside your body. Any stuffed feeling around your chest, in your stomach, on upper side, in the middle, or lower part of your abdomen. Just recognize where you feeling this discomfort or stuffed feeling or uneasiness or little heavy feeling, where you can feel it. This Hawaiian practice, it consists of 4 sentences. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. So what we are going to do, when you choose a situation, now ask the divine or God or universe, whoever you believe, what is inside me that is causing me to feel that way? What is inside me that is causing me to feel that way? And say to divine, I love you. And next sentence is, I'm sorry. So you are telling the divine, I'm sorry for not being aware of the situation or the thoughts that is causing me this pain. And next sentence is, please forgive me the situation that is causing a pain inside me. It's not about the physical pain, it's like an emotional pain. We are healing our body. And then you are saying thank you to divine, God or universe for releasing this pain for me. And now when you say thank you, then releasing this pain for me, then imagine then white or yellow color, you can choose any, like white or yellow holy lights. They are coming from your head inside your body and releasing or erasing that stuffed feeling from your body. For example, if you are feeling that stuffiness in your belly, then when you say I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, then imagine after that white holy light is coming inside you and erasing this pain from you. And then say it again, I love you to divine, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And when you say thank you, then imagine the holy light is coming and erasing this stuffed feeling from inside you. And keep repeating these 4 sentences until you feel calm. And keep repeating these words, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And keep imagining that white holy light coming and erasing and healing you. A white light is coming, erasing and healing your pain from you. So keep repeating until you feel calm. And when you start feeling calm, keep repeating these sentences. Then ask the divine or universe again, what is going on inside me that is reflecting this into my life? What is going inside me that is reflecting into my life? And say to divine, I love you for giving me opportunity to release this data. Please forgive me for not being aware whatever is inside me that is causing this pain. I'm sorry for being unconscious, for not being aware. Thank you for releasing this data from me. And then again, imagine this white holy light is coming and cleaning it. And keep doing this practice until you feel calm. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And during this practice, if you feel emotional, feel like crying, then cry out all the emotions. That is absolutely fine. And keep repeating these sentences until you feel calm. Put your hand on your heart and keep repeating, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. And so you can imagine the person in your head as well, or imagine the situation and how the situation getting resolved. Just keep imagining and keep saying these words. You can repeat this practice twice a day depending on your situation, how intense feelings you are feeling. So you can do this and it will really make you feel calm and better every day. So I do this practice daily, just 5 or 10 minutes of your time. You can easily give it to yourself. Sit down, relax, and take a deep breath in, and then ask yourself a question. Ask your divine a question. What is inside me that is causing me to feel this way? And then start repeating these words. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And hope that this meditation will help you. And let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.